In this video, we will learn about Introduction to Binary Operations, Supremum and Infimum. A binary operation is defined as a kind of function on a set A such that it associates two elements of set A to a unique element of set A. A cross A belongs to A. In other words, if there are two elements A and B which belongs to set A, then a binary operation denoted by star forms an association of elements A operated with B to obtain an element C of the same set A. If A and B belongs to A, then A star B tends to C where C belongs to A. Mr. Mayank Maheshwari from Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan, Kanpur will tell us more about this topic.
Today we will study binary operation. A binary operation is defined as a kind of function on a set A such that it associates two elements of set A to a unique element of set A. In other words, if there are A and B belonging to set A, then a binary operation, say denoted by the star, is a kind of association of element A operated with B to element C of the same set A. Now, let us take an example. Suppose we have a set of natural numbers and let us define a common operation of addition. We know that if any two elements are added, then the element obtained will be a natural number again. So that if we add two natural numbers, say 2 and 5, we get 7, which is also a natural number. So we can say that the operation of addition is a binary operation. However, if we take the operation of subtraction on the set of natural number, we know that the subtraction of two natural numbers not necessarily result in a natural number. For example, 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3, which is not a natural number. And hence, the operation of subtraction is not a binary operation for the set of natural numbers.
Consider a set of natural numbers n cross n tends to n is the operation of subtraction in a binary operation. A. True. B. False. The answer is false.
We have some other interesting binary operation as well. One of them is the operation of supremum, generally denoted by V. By supremum means if we operate A with B, we take the maximum or the bigger one amongst A and B. For example, if we operate 5 with 7, we get 7, which is the bigger out of the two. Similarly, we have another operation of infimum. By infimum means we take the minimum or the lesser one amongst the two. For example, if we operate 5 with 7, we get 5. We see that this operation of supremum and infimum are binary operation on the set of natural number. Now, to sum up, we can say a binary operation is an association of two elements of the set to a unique element of the set.
Supremum means if we operate between two elements A and B, the maximum of the two elements is chosen. It is denoted by supremum. Infimum means if we operate between two elements A and B, the minimum of the two elements is chosen. It is denoted by infimum.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.